Hi, friends. Today, I'd like to ask you to get inspired about the idea of living in the now. Most of us spend way too much time living in the past, ruminating about what was, identifying ourselves with things that happened to us in the past. When we live in the now moment, we have opportunities that we can't even imagine to see the beauty and richness of life all around us. We are open and receptive to new and creative ideas. We get the opportunity to give thanks for our many blessings. And also, we get the opportunity not necessarily to change the past, but the way we see the past, bringing us to a whole new level of self forgiveness, self acceptance, as well as forgiveness and acceptance of others. God bless you and have a wonderful day. You deserve it.